We will go on the record in the matter 24 CF 169, 25 CS 138, State of Wisconsin versus Jennifer Rawls. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Rawls appears in person in custody with counsel Joel Feliski. We're set today in these matters for a status and a preliminary hearing. Mr. Feliski, off the record, you noted that this would be a waiver. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor. I have a completed waiver form with me. May I approach?
Thank you. And I certainly appreciate you doing the forms. Ms. Rawls, I have in front of me a waiver of right to a preliminary hearing document. Do you recognize this form?
Yes.
Did your attorney go over it with you?
Yes.
Did he go over it thoroughly with you?
Yes.
Essentially word for word?
Yes.
And do you understand everything on the document?
Yes.
And is that your signature on the document?
Yes.
Do you understand that you're waiving the right to a preliminary hearing?
Yes.
Do you understand that once you waive it, it's forever and you cannot get it back?
Yes.
Has anyone made any threats or any promises to you for you to waive this hearing?
No.
You're doing so freely and intelligently, telling me you fully understand what you're doing
Yes.
and voluntarily?
Yes.
I will find based upon the form that's been filled out and your statements that you are competent, you're freely, intelligently, and voluntarily waiving your right to a preliminary hearing. I find the probable cause and find the matter over. Information, Mr. Schmidt,
I filed the information. It mirrors the criminal complaint.
proceed with an arraignment or set for another date.
I'm comfortable with proceeding, Your Honor.
She understands the charges and the maximum penalties,
I believe so.
waives formal reading,
Waived.
not guilty plea. Pleas will be entered on your behalf. You are entitled to a jury trial. You would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. We have two things to take up. One, a motion for entry of judgment for revoking the deferred judgment of conviction has been filed, and we need to set that matter as well as a status. Mr. Schmidt, are you looking at having that hearing soon, or is there something else the state is requesting?
1 sec. Just set for standard course. Is she accepting the offer?
I think it's likely. There was an offer made in this case, Your Honor, involving resolution of both matters. I have discussed that offer with Ms. Rawls. I believe we are trending towards resolution. At this time, we would just ask for a status.
What is the offer?
The offer, Your Honor, one moment, I will just pull that up here.
The offer is pleading to misdemeanor theft in the new file. We DRI the felony bail jump. She'd stipulate to restitution of 4636. We do a joint agreement of 60 days jail. We would not revoke the DJOC in 24 CF 169. That would be the agreement. And that was done in consultation with the victims of 24 CF 169.
Thank you. So victims' rights compliance in both matters. How long is her hold?
I believe she's on it. Was it a 44 day sanction?
I could do December 18th at 9:15 or December 19th.
Either time will work for my calendar, Your Honor.
Let's do December 19th at 9:15. All right. We will see you then. Then we are adjourned. Thank you.
Probably dumb of me to miss.
We will go on the record in the matter 25 CF 75, State of Wisconsin versus Cody Mason. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. We have Mr. Mason in person with counsel Joel Feliski. This matter is set for a preliminary hearing, but off the record, Mr. Feliski, you noted that this will be a waiver. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor. I have a completed waiver form with me. May I approach?
Thank you. Mr. Mason, I have in front of me a waiver of right to a preliminary hearing. Do you recognize the document?
Yes.
Did your attorney go over this document with you thoroughly,
Yes,
essentially word for word,
yes,
and you understood everything on this document?
correct.
Is that your signature?
Yes,
Do you understand that you're waiving the right to a preliminary hearing?
I do.
Do you understand that once you waive that right, it's forever and you cannot get it back?
Understood.
Has anyone made any threats or any promises to you for you to waive that right?
No.
You're doing so freely and intelligently, telling the court you fully understand what you're doing
Yes, Your Honor.
and voluntarily.
Yes,
I will find that you are freely, intelligently, and voluntarily waiving your right to a preliminary hearing. I find the probable cause and bind the matter over. Information, Mr. Schmidt,
I filed the information. It mirrors the criminal complaint.
proceed with an arraignment or set for another date.
Your Honor, excuse me, Your Honor, I'm comfortable with proceeding with the arraignment. I trust if it mirrors the criminal complaint that Mr. Mason understands the charges here and the maximum penalties. We'll waive formal reading and enter in pleas of not guilty to all counts.
Not guilty pleas will be entered on your behalf. You are entitled to a jury trial and you would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. I will schedule you for December 19th at 9:15 for a status, December 19th at 9:15. Has an offer been presented?
There has been an offer, Your Honor. One moment. I believe it was for, I have it right here. A plea to misdemeanor battery with the domestic abuse surcharge, dismiss and reading in the other counts in the complaint, a joint recommendation between the parties for 1 year probation, withheld sentence, court costs, conditions of probation to include anger management and or domestic abuse classes through DOC.
Okay, all right, thank you. You can come get your notice and you are free to leave.
thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Stevens, how are you feeling?
And that right there is the moment everything shifts. When a judge says bind over, it means the case officially graduates to the next level: real charges, real stakes. No turning back. Question for you watching: if you were facing this decision, would you waive the prelim to speed things up, or force the state to prove their case early? Let me know.